And then we got Daredevil soup.
Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy Mrbucketlist, and here we are today at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida, where this will be my first time trying out Planet Hollywood. Now, I wanted to do this review because I recently saw a documentary on YouTube about how this particular chain of restaurants used to be really popular and endorsed by celebrities, and now it's pretty much a last of a dying breed. So I definitely want to come in here and check it out before it's actually extinct. Let's do it. Now, one thing that surprised me about this place, because like I said, I didn't know much about it, it has a bunch of movie props and just movie tie-ins from different franchises. So I'll go ahead and kind of give you all a quick pan of some of the things when you're first walking in, but it was actually really cool. And then once you get inside, like for instance, my table was like right in front of this huge projector screen that played like different videos and movie facts and stuff like that. It kind of felt like being in a movie theater. Now, when it comes to the service, especially for Disney standards, this was extremely fast. I got a drink, some type of margarita, and then I also got this Guy's Burger. And this is my first time having Guy's Burger. I heard it was really good. And so I got the mac and cheese burger, and yes, it was extremely good and filling too. So this will be a quick review because, like I said, it's a restaurant, so you enjoy the food, you enjoy the location. It is what it is. But what I did want to do is kind of give you all a tour of the actual location. So what I'm going to do right now is just kind of walk around with the camera and show you all the different movie props that the actual location has to offer. And then I'll give my official rating and final thoughts. So as far as my final thoughts, it was nice. It was definitely something that I recommend to do at least once before it's gone. It's really cool just to be in that environment, like I said, the music and the different movie props, and I mean being there with drinks and your friends or family, whatever the case may be. If you all love music and movies, definitely come here. And like I said, the food was good. I mean, it was really the burger was extremely thick. The only complaint I have is because of the whole COVID thing, they only gave me the little packs of ketchup, and they literally gave me one pack of ketchup for burger and for fries. And so, I mean, of course, I'd ask for more, but I'm like, what are you all doing? Like, why? So I didn't really understand that for such a thick burger. It was out almost instantly. But other than that, the food was good. It was moderately priced. The price itself was about $30 after everything from my drink and my food. It's still not a bad price for something in Disney. So as far as my actual rating, I would say maybe try it out. You definitely want to at least, like I said, try it out one time before the actual place is gone. It's not a must do, and who knows how long it's going to stay, but in my case, it was maybe try it out. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick little review. Like I said, I didn't want to hold you all too long, but I did want to just show you a little quick tour of Planet Hollywood here in Orlando, Florida. Until then, I'll see you next time. It's Mr. Bucket List. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.